If you want to stand out from the crowd, you should have a really modern and unique looking portfolio website. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this amazing and creative portfolio website using all free resources. And having a portfolio website like this is not optional nowadays for a real professional. Let me share my personal experience with you. So far, I have done nearly 1200 plus freelance projects, and over 90% of clients came through my portfolio website. Even I have done 100 plus jobs on a freelancing marketplace, and 80% of clients asked me this question first: do you have a portfolio website? So many of you guys always ask me, how did I land so many freelance jobs while others are suffering to get their first job? Then my number suggestion would be, make your portfolio website before anything. Now in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a portfolio website that will help you to attract more clients. To create this website, we will be using a free CMS, a free theme, a free page builder, and all free resources. And you don't need to know a single line of coding. We will be creating everything just by drag and drop. So no matter if you haven't made a website before, this is the perfect tutorial for you. Let's now have a look at what we're going to make in this tutorial. It has a beautiful header with logo, navigation menu, and direct email sending option. A beautiful banner with your quick information, your image, and your name. It has social sharing options, your skill set icons with amazing hover effects, achievement section, client logos within a beautiful carousel. It has an about area with your years of experience, portfolio section with a button linked with the portfolio page. Then it has a testimonial area with a beautiful auto slider, a contact form so people can contact you immediately. Also, it has a decent global footer. In the about page, you can talk more about yourself. You can add some sneak peek of your services. Also, you can reuse some areas from the home page. In the services page, you can describe all your available services. Also, it has a beautiful pricing table. You can link these with your Upwork or Fiverr gigs. It has a beautiful portfolio page in masonry style. Clicking on an item will take you a single portfolio page. Here you can talk more about that specific project with sliders, live links, different mockup styles. It has a blog archive page and single blog post page for sure. It has an amazing contact page with contact details and contact form. Also, there would be video pop-up option and an embedded Google Map. Also, our website would be 100% responsive for all mobile and tablet devices. Can you believe we will be doing all of this just by drag and drop and by using all free resources? I'm really excited. If you're excited like me, please give this video a big thumbs up. This is the only thing I want from you. Just have a look. If you like this video, then from YouTube's left bar, you can go to your liked videos and find this video easily later. Alright, we will be creating our beautiful portfolio website in easy 4 steps. First, I will show you how to get your own domain name and web hosting. I will also provide you a 78% discount link. Then, how to install WordPress. Then, how to install a free theme and a free page builder. Finally, we will start customizing our amazing website. Also, I will be adding a timestamp in the description so you can always jump into the necessary part you need. Let's now start with step number 1, which is to get your domain name and web hosting. So first of all, what is a domain name? Domain name is basically your website address, like Facebook has facebook.com, Amazon has amazon.com, we have jimfahaddigital.com. Similarly, for your website, you need an address that will be your website name.com. And what is web hosting? Web hosting is the storage space for your website. All the images, text you will have in your website, all will be stored on your own web hosting. As you are owning your own web hosting, so there wouldn't be any limitation. You can run ads, you can upload any text or images, you can upload any theme or plugin you want. You are in charge of your own website. Now, how to get your own web hosting with a free domain name? So first, just click on the very first link in the description below this video, or you can just go to jimfahaddigital.com/myhost. And this will take you a special discounted Hostinger page. So why Hostinger? In my opinion, Hostinger is the most affordable and also the fastest web hosting provider available. Just have a look into all their Trustpilot reviews. People are super happy with their hosting speed, affordable pricing, and customer support. Now from here, you can change the language if you want. Maybe you speak Spanish or Portuguese or Hindi. You can select your language from here. One thing I also do want to say is that this page changes quite often. In fact, they probably change it once a month. So if this banner or this whole interface looks different than this one, don't worry, don't panic. This happens quite often, it's the same website. Let's now scroll down a bit here. You will find all the different plans. By the way, here we can see 3 plans, but sometimes you may see 4 plans here. Just don't panic, because you can create your website with any of these plans. But as you are just starting out, I recommend taking this premium or this business plan. With both of these plans, you can create up to 100 websites. For example, today you are creating a portfolio website, tomorrow you want to create a business website, and the next week you may want to create an e-commerce website. So you don't need to purchase hosting each time. You can create all the websites within the same web hosting plan. So here with this premium plan, you will get 100 GB SSD storage. With the business plan, you will get 200 GB NVMe storage. And with all of these plans, you will get all the features like unlimited free SSL. So all of your websites would be encrypted and super secure. Unlimited bandwidth. So there wouldn't be any limit how many website visitors you will have. Free email. You can create hundreds of professional email addresses like info@yourwebsite.com or admin@yourwebsite.com like this. Then free domain. Yes, like I said, you will get a domain name for free. You will also get tons of WordPress features like one-click WordPress installation, free automatic website migration. So if you want to move your existing website from another hosting provider to Hostinger, they will transfer it on behalf of you. How cool is that? Now let's talk about security. Personally, I'm very serious about website security, and Hostinger just nailed it with all the features like Cloudflare protected name servers, malware scanner, and all these. I have had very bad experiences with other web hosting providers. We have got so many malware attacks and we had to pay the hosting providers additionally to use their other security tools. But here in Hostinger, you are getting all these security tools for free. Alright, let's now select a plan. And like I said, you can take any of these plans based on your needs. So for now, I'm taking the premium plan. You can upgrade it later anytime. So click here on Add to Cart. Alright, let's just go ahead and scroll down. Right here, you are going to see different pricing options. Now, this is referring to how long do you want to host with Hostinger. So we have 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, and then we also have 48 months. First of all, I don't recommend going with this 1 month plan because you see it's almost $12 a month, which is super expensive. We don't want that. My recommendation would be go with 48 months. So for the first 4 years, you just need to pay $2.99 per month. That will save you in total $432. And then after those 4 years, you start to pay only $6.99 per month, which is still super affordable for a web hosting plan that can hold up to 100 websites. But if you want to start with 2 years or 1 year, you can click over here. And then in your first year, you just pay $2.99 per month, and you are still going to create up to 100 websites. And after that first year, you start to pay $9.99 per month. So the longer the first period, the more discount you will get when you renew the plan. So if you have the budget and you want to get the most discount possible, you can go for the 48 months plan. And after those 48 months, you start to pay around, $6.99 per month instead of $9.99. But wait, there is more. If you just click here on continue, here you need to create your account. But you see all these fields are optional. You just need to select your country. Otherwise, I'm skipping this form because we can add these informations later after creating our account. So let's scroll down. Here you just need to put your email address. Here I'm writing my email address. Make sure to put your best email address because they will create your hosting account with this email address. Let's now click on continue. And here, like I said, I have got more surprises for you. So here you see it says have a coupon code. Just click there. And here if you fill in with my special coupon code, which is JFD10, and you click on apply, you will now get a total 78% discount. Can you believe we're getting super fast web hosting with a free domain name for the full year only for $32? What an amazing deal, right? Here at the left side, you can see different payment options. So you can pay using your credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or even you can use your cryptocurrency. Also, you may see more different local payment options based on your country. So here, let's just scroll down. Here, I'm putting my credit card information. Now click on Submit Secure Payment. Then it will redirect us to the control panel. Let's set a very strong password here. Let's retype the password. Let's confirm it. Then you can see an interface like this. But let's say for some reason if you just got logged out, you can again just go to hostinger.com. From the top right corner, click on Login. Then here you just need to put your email address and the password you have just set. That will take you inside of the Hostinger dashboard. And here you see it's asking to verify our email address, and it's very important. So now I'm going inside of my email inbox, and here you need to click on this verify email button. So it's now verified. From this interface, you see it says premium web hosting. Just click on this setup button. You can see the same setup interface what we have seen at the very beginning here. From here, click on start now. Let's skip this by clicking here. As we want to create a new website, so from here it says create a new website, just click on select. We will be using WordPress to create our website, so from here let's select WordPress. Here put your email address and set a very strong password. I'm giving mine. Let's click on continue. I don't want to add any plugins, so I'm deselecting them all. Let's now scroll down, click on continue. We also don't need any theme from here, so scroll down and click on skip. If you already have your domain name, you just want to transfer it in Hostinger, then you can select this option. But now, as you have got a free domain with Hostinger, so here I'm selecting this option. It says claim a free domain, so click on select. First of all, from here, you can select any extension like .com, .online, .link, .shop. But I'm selecting .com extension because .com websites look more professional and legit. But you can select any extension you want. And then within this field, you need to write your desired domain name. You can put your name or your business name. It would be your website address. So take some moment, think about it and put that domain name here. I'm typing here Jim Toots, and let's now click on this search. It says domain is available. That's awesome. Let's now click on continue. Now we need to fill up some details for my domain registration. So here I'm selecting my country Bangladesh and I'm selecting personal. Then click on next step. Here I'm quickly putting my name and contact details. And now click on finish registration. Now click on finish setup. And then just wait a little. Here WordPress will be installed on this brand new domain name. You see the percentage here, we are almost ready to go. So we have successfully completed our domain registration. Now first just have a look inside of our control panel. So from here click on manage site. I know it may look overwhelming, but it's super easy. Actually you don't need to do a lot of things here within this C panel. Just do a few things. Let's go inside WordPress dashboard. So click on WordPress overview here. And from this place, just make sure this force HTTPS option is turned on. Then click on this edit website button. It will redirect us within our brand new WordPress admin panel. So right now we are inside WordPress admin panel or WordPress dashboard. I will make you familiar with all of this like posts, media, pages, appearance, plugins, all of this. Actually these are super easy and self-explanatory. But now before doing any other thing, the first thing I want to do, I want to clean up my WordPress dashboard because personally I love to work in a clean environment. So here we can see some notification. Let's just close it. Also let's click on this X and you can minimize all of them just like this, or from here just open up the screen options. from here we can deselect all of them just like this. So it's now looking much cleaner. Also, I wanna make our WordPress dashboard more cleaner. So to do it, let's just go to plugins to install plugins. So just wait a little. Here we can see all the plugins that came with default WordPress installation. So first of all, I just wanna select all of them, or you can just select in this area. So all the plugins would be selected all together. Now from bulk action, first of all, I'm making them deactivate and then click on apply. Now let's select all of them again together. Now from bulk action, click on delete, then click on apply. The browser pop-up says I'm sure or not. Yes, I'm sure. So just click on OK. So all the unnecessary plugin has been deleted. Then we can go to pages to all pages. Here we can also see some dummy pages. So you can just select all of them together. From bulk action, click on move to bin, then click on apply. Alright, now the next thing I wanna show you how you can change your WordPress password. So to do it, from left side hover on users. From there, let's go inside of profile. And here, if you want, you can change your admin color scheme, like you can make it to light or modern or blue. Actually, it doesn't matter because only you can see it. So I'm just keeping it to default. Now from here, you can actually change your first name, last name. So here I'm giving my first name to Jim, last name to Fahad. And here you can change your nickname to your name and also display name publicly as. So here I'm just setting it as Jim Fahad. Also, if you want, you can change your email address or website URL from here, and you can change your WordPress profile picture from this place. And now from here under account management, you can change your password. So here I'm just clicking on set new password. If you want, you can keep the strong password what WordPress is suggesting, but I just wanna make it hide, and here I'm typing by myself. Though it says medium, but it okay with me. So let's scroll down and click on update profile. Now let's have a look at some basic settings of this WordPress website. So from left side, hover on settings and click on general. So from here, actually you can change your site title and tagline. So here, let's say I just wanted to say Jim Fahad Digital, and tagline, you can write here anything, but I always suggest to write here something which is meaningful. So that would also help you to rank on Google search engine. So as it's our web design, what should I say, portfolio website, so you can just write best web design, maybe agency in California, just like that. Okay, oops, not California, it would be California. And then I don't recommend to mess with this URLs, just keep it the way it is. And let's scroll down, click on save changes. Now here I wanna make you understand with two basic terms. One is backend or the dashboard, and another one is the front end. So whatever we can see here, this is the backend of our website because we are the admin of the website, so we have the access of this WordPress admin panel. And if you want to see the real look of this website or the front end of the website, then from left top you just need to hover on your site name. Then here you can see visit site. So I'm opening it from a new tab. So here, this is the front end of our website. The whole world can see this portion of our website. So right now our website is looking like it, and of course I wanna change the look and feel of our website. By the way, here at the top we can see this black bar. We can see it because we are now logged in. Here at the top right corner we can see our username. So if you wanna log in or log out, you can do that from this place as well. Okay, so this is the front end and this is the back end. And now if you wanna change the look and feel of your website, first of all you need to change the theme of your website. So just go back to your WordPress dashboard. Now from here, hover on appearance, then click on themes. And here I don't wanna use any of the default themes of WordPress. So from here I'm just clicking on add new theme, this big button. And here you can search for any free theme. So here I'm just searching for Hello Elementor, which is basically this theme. So let's click here on install. Now click on this activate button. So right now the Hello Elementor theme is activated. The next thing I wanna do, I wanna install and activate our page builder plugin. Now to get the page builder plugin, you can just go to jimfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description. So from that page, from under important links, here you see it says get Elementor free version. Just click there. That will take you to Elementor Pro purchase page. By the way, we won't be using Elementor Pro version, we will be just using Elementor free version, but just have a look. If you want, you can also take their Pro version because it has lots more option. You can create your e-commerce website, you will have your awesome theme builder options, and there are so many options. You can check out all these from here, but for this particular tutorial we will be using Elementor free version. So here, first click on this login button because we need to create a free Elementor account from here. So from this place here, click on create an account, and you can create your free Elementor account by using your Google, Facebook or Apple account, or you can just click on continue with your email. So you just need to put your email address and password, then you can create your free account from this place. As I already have my free account, so I'm not creating here again. So right after creating your Elementor free account, you can go back inside of your WordPress dashboard. Then from left side, hover on plugins and then click on add new plugin. So here from this search bar, I'm searching for Elementor, and then here it says Elementor website builder. Just click on install now, then click here on activate. Alright, so I just wanna skip this onboarding, so from top right corner click on this X. Also let's minimize it, and from screen option I'm disabling the Elementor overview. Now I wanna make you understand how Elementor page builder works. Actually it's super fun to use. So to do it, first of all, of course we need to create a page. So from pages, let's click on add new page, and I'm creating this page only for demonstration purpose. So you can give it any name. I'm just giving it name to awesome page. Click on publish one more time. Now I wanna go inside of Elementor page builder, so click here on edit with Elementor. Let's now close this pop-up. Okay, I cannot see this cross button here at the top, so I'm just pressing command minus, so it's now zoomed out. So let's close it, and I'm pressing command 0 again, so it's now in full screen mode. And here we can see this header and the footer. This header and footer is basically coming from the theme. So right now I don't want them, so from here click on this gear icon, and from here I'm just making the page layout to Elementor canvas. Okay, now just let me show you how easy the Elementor is, because it's really fun to create anything within Elementor page builder. So here within the right area, this is the main canvas. Here we will be creating our website, and at the left side here we can see all the elements or widgets. So basically our main goal is to drag these elements from left side to this right canvas. So in this way we can create our whole website. So here I'm just giving you a quick example. So first of all, you just need to create a structure, right? So click on this plus icon, and among these structures you can take any structure. So for example, I'm just taking this first structure, and you can give this container any height. So from left side, if you just drag this bird to the right side, you see the height of the container is increasing. If you drag it to the left, the height is now decreasing. So we can just keep the height just like this. And now if you wanna give any background color with this container, you can do that. But first of all, I'm just keeping the justify content to centered. Okay, so here make sure you have selected this container. Just go under its style tab here, and from the background type you can see a color picker. So open it. Now from this color picker you can select any color. You see the background color is now changing. Also from this color wheel you can select any other color. So for now I'm just keeping it something like dark blue or black color. Now within this area, if you want to add any element from Elementor, so click on this plus icon, and from left side you see all the available elements or widgets. So for example, here I want to insert any heading. So from left side, just drag this heading from left side to this canvas here. So you can see the heading here. If you want to change the text from this field, I'm just typing here Jim Fahad Digital. Now you can make the alignment to centered. You can just change the style of this text. You can go under the style tab. From here you can change the text color. So I'm just making it to white color. Then from the typography, you can change the font family. So here all these are Google fonts. So from here you can select any other font. For example, I'm just selecting this Rubik 80s Fade. So you see the font has been changed instantly. Also here, if I make it to, you can basically search the font name from here. So I'm making it Poppins. You see it's instantly changed. Then you can increase or decrease the font size from this place, and then you can play with the weight. So you can make it super bold or maybe a little bolder, like 700. Then you can transform it to uppercase or lowercase, or we can keep it to default. Also you can change its style to italic, or we can keep it to normal. You can mess with all of this available option. So from here, let's say if you want to add some other element underneath this heading, then you just need to click on this 9 dots or this Rubik's cube icon. Then from here, let's say I want to add some text. So here I'm dragging this text editor widget right underneath this heading here. So you can see the text. If you want to change the text, you can change it from here. So you need to write your own text here. Then if you want to do some styling with this text, you can go under the style tab. From here, you can make the alignment to centered. You can change the color from here. Let's say I'm just making it to something like white. And then you can also play with the typography, just like this heading. So you can change the font family, you can change the font size, just like this. You can make it all uppercase, lowercase, all the available options are here as well. Then if you want to add any other element, you just need to click on these 9 dots. Now from here, let's say I just want to add a button. So let's drag this button widget here underneath in this place. So here, instead of click here, I just wanted to say, for example, contact here or contact me. Then you can link this button with any other website. So for example, here I just wanna link my main website, which is jimfahaddigital.com. So now if anyone clicks on this button, that will take them to jimfahaddigital.com. Now I'm making the alignment to centered. Also, if you want to do more styling with this button, you can just go under the style tab. From here, you can, let's say you can change the background color. So instead of this green, I just want to make it, for example, let's make it to red color, just like this. And also here is another interesting thing. Let's say initially we can keep the color to red, but on hover I want a different color. Okay, so to do it, just go under hover tab here, and on hover I want to make the background color something like this sky blue. So just like this, but the text color I want to make it as black, just like this. So initially it's looking like it, and when you hover on this button, you see the color and background color is changing. Very cool. Now let me show you another thing. So let's say if you wanna make some space in between these elements, what you need to do, you just need to select that specific element. So I'm selecting this text, just click over it, and let's say now I want to add some space at the top and bottom. So how can you control the spacing? You just need to go its advanced tab. Okay, so I have selected this text editor widget. I'm going under its advanced tab, and you will find this margin and padding option. These are basically responsible for the spacing stuff. So here, first of all, I'm unlinking the margin because I want to add the space only at the top. So let's say I want to add 10 pixel or 20 pixel space at the top. So here at the top, I'm adding 20 pixel of space. So here at the top, the space has been added. Also at the bottom, let's say I want to add 20 pixel of margin. So here I'm adding at the bottom 20 pixel of space. So here 20 pixel has been applied at the top and bottom as well. So in this way, if you wanna, if you select this button, you will find the padding and margin option underneath this advanced option. So also with the heading, so with any of the elements or widgets, you will find all these options like content tab, style tab to do some styling, also the advanced tab for this kind of spacing stuff. So basically in this way, you can just drag any element from left side and you can drop it to the right side. Then you can make some styling, you can adjust the spacing, you can do everything step by step by yourself. Actually, I have other tutorials which are 3 to 5 hours long where I have created all the website step by step. So I will put those tutorials link in the description. You can check them out if you want to learn how to create any website from scratch step by step. But in this particular tutorial, my goal is to show you how you can create your website really faster. Okay, so we don't need to create everything step by step by dragging all the elements from left side to right side, because it's too much time consuming, I would say. Okay, so I will be using a ready kit from kitpapa.com. So not only portfolio website, let's say if you want to create any other website for yourself or for your client, you can get that ready kit from kitpapa.com. So for example, here on the left side you can see all the different categories like portfolio, agency, freelancer, education, photography, consulting, all these categories. Now let's say you have got a client who needs a website for his photography business, for example. So from left side you can select the photography category. Then here you will find all the photography related ready website template kits. So for example, I'm selecting this one, and here you can see all the details about this specific kit. And also here is another interesting thing, with all of these kits they have the specific installation guide. So it's only 1 to 2 minute long installation guide. So by following this 1 to 2 minute installation guide, you can actually up and run this whole website. And here is another interesting thing. If you just click on this live demo button, you can preview the whole website within this beautiful iframe. So you can check everything, all the sections, all the pages from here. Also you can check the responsive view from here. So you can go to tablet view, you can check the mobile view. So you can check everything up front if it's the perfect kit for you or not. Okay, and just have a look. You see their price is really affordable, and you know, if you create any website for a photography business, you can easily charge them couple $1,000, and you can just purchase it only for $14.99 or $15 from here, and you can charge them couple $1,000. It's really a win-win game. Also, let's say if you are a freelancer or if you run a web design agency, so you may need this type of kits more frequently. So you can just go here on this buy all button. So from here actually you can get all access of this, I mean all the available kits of kitpapa.com. So you can just check, you can just see the plan comparison. So if you take any single kit, you need to give them $14.99, but for $99 you will get their all available kits. And not only they're all available 140 plus kits, but you will get access all their new templates which are upcoming. So they usually add 10 plus kits every month, so you will also get access to those templates as well. So it's a great lifetime deal, and I will put Kit Papa's link in the description. If you purchase through that link, I would really appreciate that. Also, the kit I will be using for this particular tutorial, that would be Novus Kit. So from the search bar here, I'm searching for Novus. Let's search for it. Here is the Novus Kit. So let's go inside of this kit. Now, like any other template kit, you can see here everything in details. Also, you can see the installation guide here. And like I said, you can see the live demo from this button, so you can check everything up front. So like I said, here you can check the responsive view as well. Alright, now if you want to support this YouTube channel and if you want me to create more free tutorials like this, then I highly recommend you to purchase this kit from kitpapa.com. I'd really appreciate that. But let's say if you just can't afford it, or you are just starting out, so you don't have this little $14 budget in your pocket, so you can just go to jimfahaddigital.com. From here under important links, if you just click on download the resources I have used in the tutorial, you will get the kit for free. That's a gift from me. Okay, so from here, no matter if you download the kit or if you get the kit, I mean if you purchase the kit from kitpapa.com, you will basically get this zip file just like this. I'm showing you very shortly how you can create your whole website really faster just by using this zip file or this kit file. Okay, now let's go inside of our Elementor page builder. Here we were. So actually we don't need it, it's only for demonstration purpose. We can close it, and from here you can just click on this hamburger icon. Let's now click on this exit button, then click on apply, click on leave. So here actually I wanna import the Novus Kit template. So before here we need to check some settings. So first of all, click on this Elementor and from here go to settings. Now the first thing I want to do, this option disable default colors and fonts. I'm just selecting these two options. Click on save changes. Then from under advanced tab, let's make the enable unfiltered file uploads. I'm making it enable. Let's scroll down and click on save changes. Then the very last thing before importing the kit, from the WordPress settings, let's go inside of the permalinks. from here, just make sure your permalink structure is set to post name because it's good for search engine optimization. Also, you won't have any problem during the kit import. Okay, so just keep it post name. Then just click on save changes. Alright, now from left side hover on Elementor, then click on tools. Now go under import or export kit, and from here it says import a template kit. Click on start import, and here you need to drop the zip file you have just downloaded or purchased. So let's click on select file. So this is the zip file, let's select it, click on open, and yep, this zip file is saved for us. So here I'm just selecting do not show this message again, then click on continue. And here make sure all these are selected because we need all of these plugins. So make sure all of them are selected. Now from here click on next, and here keep everything selected, then click on import. And here just wait a little bit because all the plugins will be installed and activated by themselves. So don't just close this browser, just wait a little bit, maybe few seconds to few minutes, just wait a little. By the way, during this kit import, I wanna tell you another thing up front. Let's say if you wanna just follow this whole tutorial, and if you wanna use the same images what I'm using in this tutorial, so to get the images you can go to jimfahaddigital.com, this website. From under important links, if you click on download the resources I have used in the tutorial, you will get all the images as well. Basically you will get this whole folder, then within the image folder you will get access to all of these images here. Alright, let's now go inside of our WordPress dashboard, and like I said, you see here it says your kit is now live on your site. That's awesome. And from here click on close. So now to preview our website, from left top hover on our site name and click on visit site. I'm opening it from a new tab so we can see the new look of our website. And yep, we can see everything has been imported successfully. So here we can see all the areas, everything is looking great. And I will of course show you how you can change everything with your own information, like your own images, own text, like that. And by the way, here we cannot see the footer. Don't worry about it because I will show you really quickly how you can create your footer and header as well. Right now we can see the header is like this. Don't worry about it at all. So let's first start editing with the home page. So if you want to edit this home page, from here at the top you can click on edit with Elementor, or you can do another thing. You can just go to your WordPress dashboard. Now if you go to pages, to all pages, so here you can see all the available pages that came with this specific kit. So here is our about page, here is the blog page, contact page, home page, portfolio page, all the pages. But we don't need this awesome page because this was a dummy page, so I'm just clicking on this bin. But we need all other pages. So let's say if you want to edit the portfolio page, so from here you just need to click on edit with Elementor. If you want to edit the contact page, you just need to click on this edit with Elementor button. Or if you at the front end, so as you're logged in within this black bar, you can see this edit with Elementor button. So if you now click on edit with Elementor button, that will take you to the that will take you inside of the home page editor. Okay, so this page editor. So from here I'm just clicking on edit with Elementor. Now here changing any content is super easy within Elementor page builder. So let's say if you just want to change this text, okay, so born in, just click over that. You see you can change the born in text from here, and you can change the description from here. So let's say you can write here California, then comma US. Okay, so you can change any content easily just like this. Then let's say expertise, you can just write here, for example, web design. So it's very easy. If you want to change anything, just click over that and you can change the content from left side. Now here also, let's say I want to change this name, so just click over this name because my name is Fahad. So here instead of Choyon, here I'm just writing Fahad. So here instantly we can see our name. Also I want to change this image. So if you want to change this image with your own image, you can just click over this image, and from left side we can see the image here. Okay, so click on choose image, and here you need to upload your image. And here I want to show you one thing. So basically you will get this folder. So for example, first of all I'm selecting this image from here. Okay, So I'm just pasting this image here in this place. Now let's select it and have a look. Now this image is not looking perfect here because we need to add here the image with the perfect ratio, otherwise our design will be broken or it would look like this. So here it's very important to make the image in right proportion, right? So to make our image in right size, you can actually go to canva.com. so here it's a free tool. So from here just click on create a design, and from here you can select any custom size. So from here click on custom size. Now I wanna give the width to 683 pixel and the height to 1024 pixel. Then click on create new design. Now here you need to upload your image. So from left side click on uploads, and here basically you can drop the image you wanna resize. Okay, so from our folder I wanna resize this image, so let's drop this image here in this place. Now here is the image has been uploaded, so let's select the image, and here we can see this image. Now you can drag this corner to fit this image within this area. So here first I'm dragging this corner here, also I'm dragging this corner here, and actually we can just take the whole area. So first of all let's increase their corner to touch the top area like this, and then you can actually adjust the position. So from here I just want to make it centered, I mean this face at the centered area, so it would look good on our website. So we can just keep it like this. So I'm happy with it. Now you can give it any name. So here I'm just naming it Jim Fahad digital portfolio image. Now you can download it for free. So from here click from the right top corner, click on share, and then from here click on download, and they're suggesting PNG file. I just want to use the PNG file, so from here click on download. So it will be downloaded on your computer just like this. You see it started downloading on my computer. So basically just after this we will get another new image just like this with this new size. So let's now import this image and have a look how our website will look after that. So from inside of this Elementor page builder, click on this image again because I want to replace this image with another image. So from here click on upload files, and this time I want to use this image, the new size image. So let's drop it here. Now let's click on select. Right now have a look, it's now looking perfectly fine here. Cool. And here I wanna tell you one thing up front. Whenever you make any change, don't forget to click on this update button, otherwise you may lose all the edited work you have just done. Alright, right underneath this banner area, if you scroll down you can see here social links. Okay, so you can just click over here, so we can see here Dribble, Behance, Instagram, Facebook, and let's say if you don't want to use any of them, or if you want to use another social links, for example if you don't want to use Facebook, just click on this X to delete it, and instead let's say I want to use another social link. So from here you can use, for example, YouTube. I'm selecting YouTube, click on insert. So here we can see YouTube icon, and you can put your YouTube channels link here within this link field. So with any of the social handle, just click on Instagram, you can put your Instagram handle link here, you can put your Dribble account link here. So in this way you can add as many as social handles you want. And then underneath this skills area you can add these icons, so just like this. And let's say instead of this bootstrap I wanna insert here another skill. So let's say you don't know about bootstrap, you just wanna use Elementor as your skill. So here instead of bootstrap just click over bootstrap, and here I just wanted to say Elementor, and my skill level would be 99%. So I'm writing here 99%, and here you see with any of these icons initially it's looking kinda gray icon, and when you hover it's getting their brand color. So I wanna do the same with the Elementor. So for that reason actually you need to create two images. So one is the gray color of that particular logo, and another one is the colorful or the brand colored logo of that icon. Okay, so here click on this image, select it, from left side, now go inside of this content tab, and here you see there is two tabs. One is front and another one is back. So underneath this front tab, here you need to insert the gray color logo, and here underneath the back tab you need to insert the colorful logo. Okay, so first I'm going inside front. Let's select the flip box, and then from here, now from my folder, I will be using this Elementor gray and Elementor brand color both, so I'm selecting them both together. Now actually we can, okay, for now let's just select these two and we can drop it inside here. So for the gray one, I'm first selecting this gray image, this one, click on select, and then now go inside of the back. Here we will be using the colorful icon, so from here click on choose image, and here I want to use the colored version of the Elementor logo, then click on select. Now have a look. Initially we can see the gray icon of the Elementor, and if we hover we can see the brand color of Elementor. So in this way you can change all the icons of your skills. Then in the next section here you can add your achievements. So let's say you have got any award from any specific institution, you can add that, like 2014. If you have got any achievement or any reward, you can add that. And actually you can multi-use this area. So instead of achievement, let's say you can just write here resume. Okay, and here you can write 2014, you have graduated from X university. 2017 you have joined X company. In 2022 you have started your job as a freelancer, just like that. You can reuse it the way you want. Okay, so for now I'm just going back to previous achievement text, and here you can do actually another thing. Let's say if you don't want to keep these areas, and if you just want to use these logos, so here in this area you can use the logos you are really proud of. So your client logos you can use here, so you can just click over these logos, and you see these are actually coming from this image carousel. If you want to change the image with your real clients, just click over that, and here you can add any logo from your gallery. So for example, you can just go inside of the gallery, and here, only to give you the example, you can select this Elementor icon, then click on add to gallery. You see this icon is also added within this gallery, and now here you can resemble this in different way. You can keep it to this place. You can actually order or reorder or reverse the order, just like this. Then if you don't wanna use any of the images, just click on this X, so it's gone from the gallery. Okay, now click on insert gallery, and here I want to show you another thing. Let's say if you just don't want to use these two areas of the achievements, you just want to keep this title and you want to keep this logos of your clients. So if you don't want these two areas, you can just right click over here, then you can click on navigator, so you can see the structure. So first of all, just clicking here and then click here one more time, so you can understand their structure. So first of all, I'm just selecting this container, so you see it's also been selected, so everything is within this area. Let's now expand it. Now here we can see another inner container. Now within that, here we can see this heading, so this is basically this heading, and now here we can see this container. So within this container we have all these contents. Now underneath this container we have all these contents within here. Then within this container we have all these icons. Now let's say if you don't want this container or this container, okay, let's minimize it. So you can just right click over this container, then click on delete, so it's been deleted. Also let's select this container. If you don't want it, just right click over here and click on delete. So here you can just have the title and your client logos, just like that. Okay, and actually I just wanna keep them, so you can press Ctrl Z, or if you're from Mac you can press Command Z to get it back or undo it. I'm pressing one more time Command Z to undo the previous area. Alright, we can just close the navigator from here. Let's go to the next area. This is the about area. So here instead of Novus, I just wanted to say about, for example, Fahad, and then you can also change your picture from here. Just click over that and you can here replace your image, just like we have done at the top banner. Then here you can change your years of experience. So I don't have 20 years of experience. I'm actually young, so here I'm just writing 12 years of experience. And here you can change this text, and it's pretty easy. You see, if you want to change anything, just click over that area and you can change the content from left side. And here is the read more button. So let's say I just want to link it with our about page. So here, instead of this hash, if you now start typing here about, you see in the suggestion here we can see about page. So let's select about. You see our about page is now linked with this button. Now if anyone clicks on this read more button, that will take them to our about page. Okay, now let's scroll down. Here is our projects or portfolios. So here, just click over that. You can just change this image, you can change this title, you can change this text from this description field. Also, if you want to link this project with any specific link, you can just put this link within this link field. And then here we will have a dedicated projects or portfolios page, so you can link them with this button. So select this button, and instead of this hash, here I just want to type portfolio. So here in the suggestion we can see our portfolios, so let's just select it. It's now linked with our portfolio page. Then let's scroll down. Here is the interesting area. This is our testimonial area. Okay, so testimonial area is really important, because no matter how many good words you can say about you, it doesn't matter. Everything is matter which other people say about your business, which your client's testimonial. So this area is important. So from here, you see it's a beautiful carousel. So just click over that, and here you need to go inside of this testimonial tab, and here we can see all the testimonials. So we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 testimonials are basically coming from these 4 tabs. Okay, so if we open one, you can understand all of them. By the way, if you want to add more, you can click on add item. If you want to delete any of them, you can just click on this X. So I'm just opening the first one, and just have a look here. You can change the client name. So here, let's say I'm just giving my client name to Mark Robert, and let's say his designation, he's a marketer, and you can write the real testimonial here. So here you can see Mark Robert, he's a marketer, and then you can change his headshot from here. So instead of this image, let's say I'm using this image, click on select. So here his headshots has been changed as well. So in this way you can change all the testimonials, or you can add more testimonials here in this area. And then in this area, actually we will be adding a contact form here, but I will do that a few moments later. Otherwise we are done with our home page. Everything is looking great, and like I said, we need to add our header and footer. Also, I'm doing that really quickly. So for the moment we are done with our home page customization. So to save all of our work, just click on this update button. Cool. Now I wanna add our beautiful header and footer. So to do it, we can just go back inside of our WordPress dashboard, and now from left side we can hover on Elements Kit. Then from here click on header footer. So first of all, you can see the onboarding. You can just click all the next steps just like this. Next step, and here click on save changes. And this time from under Elements Kits, click on header footer. Now here first I want to create our header, so click on header, and from here click on add new. So first I want to give it a title, so I'm just naming it my header. Make sure the type is header, condition to entire site, and I want to activate it. Then from here click on edit content. Now here I just want to import the header, because the good news is I also have created the header for you. So you just need to click on this folder icon. Now from here click on this top arrow icon, so you can import the header file. So to get the header file, you can just go inside of the zip file that you have just purchased or downloaded. So from here you may remember you have inserted this kit. So now you see it's a zip file or a compressed file. First of all, you just need to unzip it. So you will get a folder, a folder just like this. Now go inside of this folder, and here you will get another inner folder which name is KP templates. Okay, go inside of this KP templates folder, and now here we can see header.json, footer.json. These are basically our header and footer templates. Okay, so here I want to use this header.json file, so I'm selecting this header.json file and dropping it inside of this area. So here under my templates, now we can see header, so click on this insert button, click on apply. So here we can see our header. By the way, probably you cannot see it at this moment because our header is a transparent header, so on a white background we cannot see it properly. So for the moment we can just click on this update button, and here have a look, we were here inside of Elementor page builder. But if you just click on this eyeball icon, so you can see it on a real browser. So on the real browser we can now see our header. By the way, you may not see the header here properly because we also have a black bird at the top. So for that reason we can just copy our website name, which is gymtuts.com. Now if we just go to any incognito window where we're not logged in, now let's paste our website URL and hit enter. So we can see the real view, what other people can see. So here just have a look, we can see our beautiful header. Here is our logo, here is our menu, and here is our email. And of course this is not our email and this is not our logo, so I wanna change it. So to do it, let's now go inside of our WordPress dashboard, I mean within the header builder. So here is the logo. If you want to change the logo, just click over this logo, and here I want to insert my logo, what I have created. So from my image folder, from here I want to use my logo. And if you want to learn how to create your own logo, actually I have a 3 to 5 minute long tutorial. By watching that tutorial you can create your free logo by using a free online tool. Just feel free to watch that video so you can create your own logo. I have selected the logo, click on select. So here my logo has been added, and also here on the link with this logo I want to link my home page. So here I'm selecting home. So whenever from any page, if anyone clicks on this logo, that will take them to our home page. And then here we can see our menu, and basically this menu is coming from WordPress. Okay, so I'm showing you very quickly how you can create your menu from WordPress menu. And before that, here we can also see the email option. So here you can basically type your own email address, like here I'm writing gmfdigital@gmail.com. okay, and here I wanna show you another interesting thing. First of all, I'm just copying this email address, and here within the link field, instead of this hash, I just want to write mail, then to, and then a colon symbol, then without any space I'm just pasting my email address. And what will it do? Actually, as I have linked with mail to, then colon my email address, now from real website, if anyone clicks on this email, that will open up their Outlook or a mail app, so they can directly send email to this email address. It's really handy. Okay, so for the moment let's just click on update to save our work. Now just have a look how you can change these menu items. So you can just go back to your WordPress dashboard, and then from here hover on appearance and go inside menus. So here we can see the menu name is main menu, because from this place if I select menu, you see the selected menu is main menu. So I want to change the main menu from here. So first of all, if you want, you can actually delete all of these existing, so you can check everything from scratch. So from here let's delete all of them really quickly. So just click on this down chevron, click on remove, just like this. I'm removing everything. So from here let's remove all of these from the main menu. Okay, so now let's have a look how you can add any menu item within this main menu. So first of all, from the pages, let's select view all. So I want to add our home page, our about page, blog page, contact, portfolio, then services. I don't want to include any single portfolio. So from here click on add to menu, and here we can see all the pages has been added within the menu. So the order would be home, about, and then I wanna show here our services page, then here would be our portfolio page, then blog is fine, then the contact page. So the order is now fine. So from here click on save menu. So now if we go to the front end of our website and refresh the page, just have a look. We have got our new menu. So here is home, about, services, portfolio, blog, and contact. Cool. So we are done with our header, and just have a look. We also need to add our footer. So from our WordPress dashboard, from here, Elements Kit, go inside header footer, and here now click on this footer tab, then click on add new. I wanna name it my footer, and type would be of course footer. Condition enter site, make it activate. Then from here click on edit content. Now similar like the header, click on this folder icon, click on this import template icon, and within this area, now this time I will be just inserting this footer.json file here. So let's select this footer file, click on insert, click on apply. So here we have got our beautiful footer with social links. You already know how you can change these social links, and then here just click over that, and you see this is basically an icon list. So if you wanna link your pages from here, for example about page, so you can just link it with your about page. Just start typing, it will suggest the pages. So here is the about page, then with the services page, I'm just start typing services, so link the services page. Now work, okay, we can actually insert here our portfolio page, this one, and contact, I'm just linking it with our contact page, just like this. And here of course I wanna change this logo with our logo, so here I'm adding Jim Toots logo, click on select, and then from this right area you can just add some copyright text. So here I'm just writing Jim Toots, all right, reserves. Cool. So click on this update button to save this work. Now if we go to the front end of our website, and if we just refresh it and just have a look here at the bottom of the page, we can see the global footer with all the updated page links, the logo, and the footer text. Alright, let's now move to our about page. So I'm clicking on the about page, and here we can edit this page by using Elementor page builder. So from top click on edit with Elementor, or you can just open it from a new tab. So here it would be opened at the new tab. So you can work within the Elementor page builder on this tab, and you can just refresh the about page front end to check the changes on real tab. Okay, so now we are within the Elementor page builder, and here you can change this image with your own image. Just click on this image, and instead of this image, let's say from our images folder, I wanna use this image of mine, so I'm selecting this image, and here is good to use a square shape image, so the height and width would be same, so that would look great on this area. So let's select the image, click on select, and here we can see the beautiful image, and you see we can see the top grid kind of design at the top of the image or overlay here. So no matter which image you put in here, the grid will be at the top, so that would look really great and synchronized with the whole website vibe, right? So here you are already familiar with how you can change the logo, so I'm not repeating the same thing. And here you can change your name, so I'm not Chayan Mahfouz, my name is Jim Fahad, and you know how you can change the social links. Then from here you can show some sneak peek of your services. So from here, let's say if you do UI UX, just click over that, and you can change the icon from here. Then if you want to change this text, so from the info box content here, I think UI everything should be in uppercase, so UI UX design. And then if you want to change these icons, basically these are the icon images. So if you want to get this type of icon, you can just go to a website, it says icons8.com, so which is basically this website, it says icons8.com, and you can search for any icon from this search bar. So let's say here instead of graphic design, so here instead of graphic design, I wanna say it, for example, branding. So here I wanna match a branding icon here in this place. So from the info box here, I need to insert the branding icon. So from here you can just search for branding logo, and not only branding but also we need a white color branding logo, right? So from here branding, you can just type branding white, and let's search for it. So here you see all these logos are white color. So from this place actually you can use any of these icons. So for example, from here I'm selecting this icon, it says white branding. So here we can see our PNG formatted logo or icon. So from here click on download. By the way, if you just want to use it for free, you won't get a very high resolution image. So basically we'll get a 64 by 64 pixel, but if you want any higher resolution icon, for example 256 by 256 like this, you need to pay them 15 bucks. But for this particular tutorial I just want to use the free one. So just keep it selected and click on download. So now we can go inside of this place. Let's select the image that we have just downloaded. So from our images, let's select this icon said branding, this image. Let's drop it here. Now let's select it and just wait a little. Here we can see our beautiful icon here. Now here underneath actually we have just reused some areas from the home page. So you are already familiar with all of this. If you want to change anything, for example, you can just click over that, and instead of New York you can just write California, just like it. You can change all the information just by clicking over that. So instead of 20 I'm just writing 12 years of experience, and here you can add your portfolios. Actually we will talk about this portfolios area on our portfolio page. That's the same thing. If you can do that on the portfolio page, you can do the same thing on the about page as well. Okay, so let's scroll down. We are already talked about this area, the achievement area. So everything is good. And here let's say if you don't want to use this achievement area on your about page, you can easily just click on this X to delete this area. Okay, and you can press Command Z to get it back. So it's up to you which section you want to use on what page or not. Okay, so for now I'm happy with our about page. From here click on this update button to save our work. So from the front end, if we just refresh the about page, here we can see all the updated images. Here we have changed this icon. We can see everything here at the front end. Now we can move to our next page, our services page. So here I just wanna edit with Elementor. So I'm opening the editor from a new tab. And here with the services page, you are also familiar with these areas because you know how to change the icon and how to change the content from left side. And these are the simple images, so you can just click over that and you can change the image. And like I said, you will have this grid overlay at the top of any image you select, and here you can add some more information about your services. Let's now scroll down. These are the same thing we have used on our home page, and here is the pricing table. So this is interesting. Let's say if you want, you can create different pricing for your different services. So let's say I'm just assuming you are a web designer. Okay, so here $99 instead of month. Instead I'm just writing project. So here we can just paste it here as well. So per project. Also with this you can make it per project, and then you can create different pricing model. For example, with this package you can just so here is the second. I don't want this installation option, so just click over that. So instead of installation, here I'm adding an option. It says 2 pages. So if anyone takes this plan for $99, they will get maximum 2 pages service. Okay, and also with this option the support would be for 30 days. So here I'm just writing 30-day support, for example. Okay, and then with this plan, so let's say if you want to change the pricing, so its pricing would be $149. So here let's say as its price is a bit higher than this, so here you can offer them 4 pages. Okay, 4 pages, and support would be the same, so 30-day support. And with this $249 per project, this plan, you can offer them, for example, 10 pages maximum, and here support. So here you can offer them as their price, I mean as they're giving higher price, so you may give them 45-day support. Just like that, you can organize your plan the way you want. And here you can do several things, like with these buttons. So let's say if you have a $99 gig on Fiverr or Upwork, you can just click over this button, and within this link you can paste the link of that gig. Okay, so also with this button you can just paste the link of that gig. And if you don't work on marketplaces, if you want to do everything within from this website, you can just select it and you can link it with your contact page. So here I'm just linking it with our contact page. So this is this pricing table is only to get the customers the idea about your pricing, and they will be doing everything on phone call or using their email or via your contact form. So this is only to get the idea, because web design service actually you can close all the sales over phone or any Google meeting or Zoom meeting like that. So oops, I just wanna link it with the contact page, so you can redirect them to your contact page, like about my pricing, you have an idea. Now let's chat, then we can start the project. Okay, so here we are already familiar with these areas as well, so we can save the services page. Click on this update button. So right after the services page, we can move to our portfolio page. So let's open up our portfolio page within Elementor Page Builder, and it's pretty easy and straightforward. Let's say if you're a logo designer, then you can add your logos here within this image. Then you can just write the project name or what category is this particular project, like that. Okay, so let's say if you're a web designer, so you can just add here some preview of the website and you can give it a name. I think we can give a live example. So here let's select it. So here I wanna add one of my web design portfolio. So title UI UX design is fine, and here description, so it would be a recipe blog. So it's a recipe blog project, and then on the image I wanna use this image. So from here I'm just dropping the screenshot of the project. So from here click on select. So this image is looking like it. And here I want to show you another interesting thing. How can you create the single portfolio page? So whenever anyone clicks on this recipe blog, they can see the whole case study or the project details of this work, right? So to do it, first of all, let's just update it, and I'm showing you how you can create a single portfolio page. First of all, you can just go back inside of your WordPress dashboard. Now from left side, go to pages to all pages, and here you see we can see all the pages like our contact page, home page, portfolio, and here you can see also other page, it says single portfolio. Okay, and now I want to keep this page as a template. So by using this page, I want to create several single portfolio page. I'm giving you a live example so you can understand it properly. So if you just hover on single portfolio, here you will find a button, it says EA duplicator. So basically it will duplicate this single portfolio. So first of all, I just want to duplicate it, so click on EA duplicator. So if you want to create several single portfolio page, you can duplicate it that much time. So for now I just want to create one single portfolio page, so I have just duplicated once. So from here click on edit, and here you can give this page any name. So I'm just naming it recipe blog portfolio. So click on publish, then click on publish one more time, and now I want to edit this page by using Elementor Page Builder. So click on edit with Elementor, and as this is a pasted page, so we have just copied and pasted our single portfolio page, so it will have all the elements. So it's pre-ready for you, we just need to change the content. Okay, so here we can see this big banner image. So instead of this image, let's change the image. So from here, let's say I want to use this image, so let's select this image, drop this image. Now let's select the image. So here you can add your project related images, and now here you can write here any details of the project, when it was published or when you have completed it. Here you can include the category of this project, industry. So here as it's a recipe blog, so it would be under food industry. and then you can, let's say if it's a live website, you can put that website's link as well, so people can just browse that website and they can understand how clean is your work, so they can hire you for that. So here just select this read more button, or instead of read more you can just say live website or live view, or you can just write live site. Here also live site, which is basically on hover. So on hover I also wanted to say live site, and then you can paste the URL of the website. So here I'm just pasting the website URL. So now if anyone clicks on that link, the preview website, I mean the portfolio website would be opened up on a new window. So if you want to open on a new window, from here click on this gear icon, and I'm just selecting open in new window. Okay, and now click on update to save this work. Okay, let's now scroll down. Here we can see a beautiful carousel. So if you want to change this image, so you can add here your different steps or different images. You know your project better than me, so you can just add those project related images within this beautiful gallery. And then here you can add the skills you have applied for this particular project. You can add them. Actually, you are more creative than me, you know how to use this on your own projects. Then scroll down. Here you can add some beautiful mockups for this particular project. So let's say instead of this image, using other image. So it's actually up to you. I'm just showing what's possible. Okay, so I'm just using this mockup image for this particular project. So let's now select it, and here we can see the website within the beautiful mockup. Okay, so let's scroll down. Here is more options, so you can add more images here on the left side, more images here on the right side. Also there are some design element, so let's say if you want to say something within this beautiful curves, you can do that. So there are more elements. It's not like you must have to use this, it's not like that. If you want to use it, there is more design or grids here available, so you can just change the content on behalf of your content style or the portfolio style. Okay, so for this particular page, let's say I don't need this area, so click on this X icon to delete this area. So for now I'm happy with this single portfolio page, so click on this update button to save our work. So now have a look. If we just go to our WordPress dashboard, and from all the pages, you see we have just created our recipe blog portfolio, this page. And here if you just click on view, I'm opening it from a new tab. Here we can see the single pages link. Now from here you can just right click over here and you can copy it. Now you can go inside of your portfolio pages Elementor page builder. Now here with this recipe blog, here from the left side within the link field, I'm just pasting the single portfolio page, I mean the recipe blog portfolio this pages link. Now click on update. Now have a look from the front end of the portfolio page. So if I now refresh our portfolio page, here we can see the recipe blog has been added here. And if we now click here on this image, you see it takes us to the single recipe blog portfolio page. So here we can see the image, here we can see food, and you may remember we have linked the main website with this button, and we have enabled the link from a new tab. Okay, so if I now click here, you see instead of reloading this page, it just open up the portfolio link from a new window. So here we can see our portfolio live website here on a new tab. So here from this page we can see other areas. Here we can see the mockups. So everything is looking great. Let's now have a look at our blog page, and for the moment actually we can close all other page to avoid distractions. So from here let's go to our blog page and have a look. Here we can see blog post which is hello world, but here actually I want to display all the blog posts. So to do it, first of all let's open up it in Elementor. So here, by the way, here I want to show you another thing. As we have installed and activated the Novus Kit, so if we now go to posts, to all posts, here we can see all the blog posts has been imported as well. By the way, of course we will be deleting them later because these are not your blog post. So I'm just showing you how it's actually working. So if we now go inside the blog page, you see we can only see the hello world this blog post, but we cannot see all other blog posts which has been imported. Okay, So now from inside the blog page Elementor page builder, just select this area, just click over this widget. Now from left side, now go inside of this query field, and you see by default the selected categories are uncategorized, so I'm just deleting this category name. So now we can see all the blog posts here. Okay, so in this way you can actually you can enable all the blog posts here within this blog posts widget. So from here, let's now click on update. So at the preview page, if I now refresh, here we can see all the blog posts are here. Now I want to show you how you can create your own blog post, because of course these are not your own blog post. So you can just go inside of these posts, and here first of all let's select all of them, and I'm just keeping one. Okay, other than that, let's select all other. From bulk action, click on move to bin. Actually I want to delete them because of course we won't be using those dummy blog on our live website. So here we can see only one blog post, and also I want to use it as a template. Okay, so first of all I don't want to publish it, so from here quick edit, I'm just making it to publish to draft. Okay, then click on update, and like I said, I just want to use it as a template. So now from here, first of all I just want to duplicate this blog post. So from here click on EA duplicate, and now this would be our real blog post. Okay, so now from here click on edit, and here instead of this you can give here your real blog title. So here let's say instead of this here writing a real blog title, top 11 web design trends for 2024, and here actually you can add your blog category. So for example, click on add new category. So here I'm adding a new category which is web design. Click on add new category like this. Then you can add a featured image from here. So let's replace this with another, so we can upload, let's say, this image here. So this is the featured image for this blog post. Click on set featured image. Now let's click on publish. Click on publish one more time, and now from here click on edit with Elementor. So you can actually write the actual blog post from inside Elementor page builder. So here we can see this is our blog title, and here is our featured image, and here these are the dummy text. So from here right click over here, click on delete. Also right click over here, click on delete. Then right click over here, click on delete. And I just wanna use one of the text editor, and I wanna write my whole blog post within this text editor. Okay, so from here first of all let's make it empty, and here I'm pasting some dummy blog content just like this, and here we can see some links, and you see the links color is now red. So we can actually change the color globally. So to do it, from left side click on this hamburger icon, then click on site settings. So we can change the link color. So from here click on typography, and from here you see link. So I want to change our link color to kinda blue, light blue color, so maybe something like this. So let's copy this color code. Now also on the hover, let's select the paste the color code. So on hover, we can make it a bit dark just like this. So you see it's coming from this global style. Now click on update to save this work. From top right corner click on this X icon. So the global settings has been set from that place, and for this particular blog post, now let's click on this update button to save our work. So now if we go to the front end of our blog page, the blog archive page, if we refresh the page, as we have deleted all other blog posts and we only have one blog post, we can see the blog post here, we can see the featured image here, and if we now click on this blog post, that will take us to the single blog post. So here is the title, here is the featured image, and here is the real blog content we can see here, and here is the footer. Cool. Now we only have our very last page remaining, which is our contact page. So click on this contact page, and like other pages we can edit it by using Elementor page builder. So I'm opening it from a new tab. Alright, so you can change any of this heading, just click over that and you can change the content from left side. And here with this area here you can add your phone number. So just click over that, and from inside of this info box you can add your phone number. So here actually I just wanna add my WhatsApp number. So here actually it's my real WhatsApp number. So here in this way you can add your WhatsApp number just like this, and then you can add your email address. So here also I'm adding my real email address just like this, and then within this field you can add your location. Okay, and now here actually we don't need this FAQ area, so I just wanna delete this card from here. So you can click on this pencil icon. Now from you can just right click over this pencil icon, then click on delete. So now we have only 3 cards, but you see they are not centered. So to make them centered we can just select it. Now go under advanced tab. Here you see the custom width is 25%, but as we wanna make them centered, so we can just make them to 33%. The second one, go under advanced tab, let's make them to 33%, and the third one, let's go to advanced tab and let's make it to 33%. So right now they are looking really decent. Okay, and now let's move to the next area. Here if you want you can add any video pop-up. So if anyone clicks over this video, a video will appear here within the pop-up field, and you can just replace this video URL from inside of this URL field here. Let's just remove this video link from here. Now here let's say I just wanna embed this video of mine. So from the top bar let's copy this URL, go inside Elementor, and here I'm pasting the YouTube URL here. So now if I close it and have a look, if we now click on this video icon, the video of mine will appear here within this beautiful pop-up, so people can see the video from inside of our website. Alright, let's now close it, and here underneath you can add your email, you can add your phone number again if you want, and then within this field we will be adding our contact form. But before that, here I wanna show you another thing. If you want you can add your Google map here as well. So just click on this pencil icon here. So you, instead of this area, you can just write down your location, so it will automatically get the location and show the pin on that area. Then from here you can increase or decrease the zoom. So by default it's 12, but if you make for example 14, you see it's now more zoomed in, so it's looking like it. We can just keep it to 12, and also here you can control the height of the map. So right now it's looking like it. Let's say instead of 480, if you increase the height, you see it's now looking more in height, but I just wanna move it to 48 pixel just like this. Now the very last thing, I wanna add our beautiful contact form. So here of course people can email you because you already have provided your email address. So here I'm just writing my email address. Of course people can contact you by using this email address directly, but it's also a good practice to add a contact form, because people can see different forms like their first name, last name, so they don't have to think too much what they will write. So you are giving them guideline what should they put inside of that fields, right? So here you can just click on this icon. You see whenever you're hovering on this area you can find what should I say, blue color or blue grain. Okay, so you will find this area, just click over that, and at the left side you will find edit form, just click there. Now here you can give it any name, so I'm just giving it name to my form, make it blank, then click on edit form. And the interesting thing is I also have created the template for you. So you can just click on this folder icon, click on this import template icon, and within this folder, so just go inside of this folder within the KP templates folder. Here you see you have got the header, footer, and here is the form.json file. Let's import the JSON file within this area. So here we can see form, so let's click on insert, click on apply. So here just let it load. So here we can see the fields like your name, your email address field, your phone number field, then here is the text area, so here they will basically write their whole message. Then here is the send message button, so if you wanna say it anything, so you can just click over that, and instead of send message you can just write for example send message now. Okay, just like this if you want in case. And here we can see the phone number option. If you don't want this field, just right click over here, then you can click on delete. So there would be only 3 fields: the name field, email field, and the the text area field. Okay, but I want to have that phone number field as well, so I'm pressing Command Z. But this is completely optional. The less field is better, okay, always, because people hate to fill up all this information, right? So I'm just showing you what options are available. So when you are done, just click on this update and close button, and here within the page we can see our contact form. Now to save this page, click on this update button, and here have a look. This is our contact page. Let's refresh the page, refresh the real page. So from here we can see everything, and this is the contact form. So here, let's say my name is Mark Robber, I'm a client, so I'm writing Mark Robber here, markrobber456@gmail.com. of course it's a fake email address. Then phone number, here I'm also giving a fake phone number, and here let's say he needs a logo, so I need a logo. Are you available? Just like that. And if they click on send message now, you will get that notification on your WordPress. So from your WordPress dashboard, for the first time, of course, you need to go through the onboarding. So from mid form, go to entries, and this is only for the first time. Okay, you just need to set up this onboarding. You can just go to the next step. You don't need any of them. So from here, click on save changes. So now from mid form, if you go inside of entries, you can see here one entry. So if you click on view, so here you can see the name of the client, the email address of the client, the phone number of the client, and what is the actual text of that client. So according to that, you can make any call to their phone. You can reply back to this email address. And by the way, not only on the contact page, if you want to use this contact form on other pages as well, like on the home page, you may remember, like I said here at the top of the footer. So in this area, we also wanted to add that contact form. So just click on edit with Elementor. So here on the home page, if you want to create a different form, you can do that. Also, you can reuse the contact form that you have created on the contact page. So I just want to do that. So here, if you just move your cursor, you will find this blue line. Click over that, click on edit form. So I have selected the my form, which I have just created on the contact page. So click on edit form. I don't want to change anything from this place, so click on update and close. So here we can see the contact form. So just click on this update button to save your work. And here I wanna quickly show you another thing. All the page we have created, all of them are mobile friendly, tablet friendly. All of them are responsive. Okay, so only to check from here, click on the responsive mode. Just go to here on the tablet view. So on the tablet view, you see everything is looking perfect. So they are looking really great. And also, if you just go to mobile view, just have a look on the mobile view, they are looking really nice. Everything is well organized. But here I think I have just one concern. Yep, we can see the logo perfectly here. And now if we click on this hamburger, we can see all the menu items here. So there is no problem with that, but also we need to change this logo as well. So this mobile logo is basically coming from the header template. Now to go inside of the header template, you can just go to your WordPress dashboard. Now from left side, let's go to templates, to save templates, or you can do another thing from here. Go to Elements Kit to header footer, and here we can see my footer, my header. So this is the header we need to edit. From here, click on edit with Elementor. So here on the desktop, everything is looking fine, but on tablet and mobile, so here when we click on this hamburger, here we can see this icon. So from here, from the left side, you see it says mobile menu settings. Click on that, and here is the mobile menu logo. So click over that, and here I want to use our logo, Gym Toots. So let's select it. Now just have a look. So on the mobile or tablet as well, we can see our logo here. Just check from mobile. Yep, it looks perfectly fine. So now click on this update button, And here I wanna show you another thing. Okay, so from this place, if we just refresh, you can see our updated logo. So from here, if we just go to mobile view, if I now click on this hamburger icon, yes, we can see our updated logo here. And now I wanna show you the very last thing. If you wanna change the fav icon of your website, fav icon is basically the little tiny icon, like on the gymfastdigital.com. You can see a little tiny icon here at the top browser, browser top. Okay, so if you wanna add to your website as well, so from the top left side, click on this hamburger icon, click on site settings. Now from here, click on site identity, and here you see it says site fav icon. So here you need to upload your fav icon, and your fav icon should be in square shape. So it could be 100 by 100 or 300 by 300, that kind of shape. Okay, click on choose image, and for now I'm just adding one from here within the image folder. I want to use this icon, so let's drag it here, and from this place click on select, and here click on update. You may not see it at the same time, but now at the preview page, if we just refresh the page, have a look here at the top, we can see the beautiful fav icon. Alright, so we have completed our amazing portfolio website. Now just go ahead and make your own portfolio website. I wish you all the best, and I have just one request. Please comment down below about the learning experience from this video. Also, please share this video on social media, it would mean the world to me. I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.